We have a long history of working with the government of Jamaica and its agencies to help make improvements as they develop and expand their facilities. And on the immigration side, we have a long-standing connection with the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency. And today we are embarking on a brand new project that is to complete the new forensic laboratory facility that PICA will have.
So the VSC-80 is a state-of-the-art document forgery detection equipment, and it's used by law enforcement agencies in the UK, the USA, Canada, Australia, and now Jamaica. So documents that can be checked are secured documents such as passports, identity cards, banknotes, and any other government-issued secured documents. Checks can be made such as coaxial light, infrared light, ultraviolet light, transposition, and magnification. The forensic expert can use the equipment to produce high-quality reports, including photographs, which can then be used as evidence in criminal proceedings. So by obtaining this forgery detection suite, this will help PICA secure the border for Jamaica and enhance Jamaica's national security.
Now, why is this important? It is because identity theft is something that harms everybody, and if someone steals your name, they can pretend to be you. You want desirable people to be in Jamaica, and conversely, we in the UK want people who are verified and bona fide travellers to the UK. So what this will enable immigration officers to do with the requisite training is to identify where documents are fraudulent. Criminals use these networks to do their work internationally, so this is a fight against international crime too.
Disorganized law enforcement cannot fight organized crime. This document forensic lab is the first of its kind in Jamaica, and I dare say in the English-speaking Caribbean. These are the kind of steps that we need to take as we strengthen our remit across borders to enforce immigration laws, and we look forward to the continued hard work and development and the deepening of the relationship as we build out to strengthen our cooperation together.
20 million Jamaican dollars is being spent on this project as a whole, and I'm pretty sure that as a result of this, we'll see better collaboration between Jamaica and the UK and safer travel and identity protection for every Jamaican.